go chill lo-fi beats to sit on a rooftop too. Looks like you have playing.
What's up, chat? How we doing tonight? Hope you're having an amazing day. We have once again the immortal. Is it immortal or your eminence that we should be calling you now? After your latest trip, I think it was to your native homelands of Eastern Mongolia, right? You had like a tribal. I forget the word for it, but you know, when they officially announce you as the ruler.
Well, it's true. I had a visit with a mostly uncontacted tribe recently, and it was quite the eye-opening experience, as they say. Once they got a good look at me, they knew I was the shit, and they elected me their leader. It's weird they have a democracy, but that's how it went. It was a bit like Survivor. And I was actually voted on the island instead of off the island.
That's impressive. If they choose to give up $1 million, did they know they could win $1 million before they voted you on the island?
Sorry, no. So it think like you know about uncontacted tribes?
Yeah.
Like
oh, okay, like Brazilian jungle vibes.
Yeah, but like they're not used to seeing outsiders. They throw spears at planes, kind of thing.
True. Yep.
Bows and arrows.
That is a thing.
Mostly naked, but like a loincloth.
Ooh, okay. Yeah. Interesting.
Anyway, they got I showed them AImemes.com and they started bowing at my feet.
I love it. It's kingmaking at its finest.
Yes. To be fair, I could have showed them anything and they would have
I don't know, magic box that makes a rabbit grow to the size of a human instantly. That's pretty impressive.
Yeah, so they're back on the island. I just have them watching slop videos 24/7. And I have them gambling on what's it called, Rain Bet.
Yep. I mean,
so
that's the best things in life, right? Those are the finer things in life.
No, that's a horrible way to live, but they've never seen it before and they really,
they're big into it.
Imagine showing, somebody in what's a nice way to say it? In older times, AI slop videos, and they don't know what slop. They eat that shit up.
I mean, I think the other day I was on YouTube and I got in a shorts loop. And I looked up and like 45 minutes had passed.
Mm-hmm.
And I have no idea what I consumed during that 45 minutes. It was literally just down scroll mouse button, down scroll mouse button. And this is on my computer. Like, fuck, if I get that into that loop on my phone, like, Lord help me. So as somebody that hasn't seen
I
that,
think
that must be pretty crack-like.
Yeah, thankfully I haven't been ever in a YouTube Shorts loop, but I feel that on like, non-boomer platforms.
You know what? I literally haven't installed TikTok for that reason. I mean, I would.
That's funny. I have to like when friends send me videos, I have to re-download TikTok just because I do like to keep it off my phone, just so I don't ever. The icons become like almost a habit of clicking on them.
100%.
And then there goes however much time just for nothing, really.
So
sometimes there's an interesting video. It's fun to share videos with your friends, but at the end of the day, it's some Some dog shit.
Agree. Hard agree.
It's left pocket dog shit almost.
Is that different?
It's the worst kind of dog shit.
Okay. How is that worse than right pocket?
It's an interesting philosophy question.
Is it?
Yes, I actually, that was my major in collegiate school. Was left pocket dog shit.
Is that an elective, like liberal arts elective kind of situation?
Yes. It was a very kind of, I forget what they call it these days, but it was a balanced school, and they made you take a little bit of each, you know? So even if you had a major in, comp sci or whatever it was, you would have to take some kind of arts classes so they can make you like a little bit gay.
100%. I think. So this is a true story. I am dumb, and to prove it further, I applied to one school, the University of Minnesota. I got in, but they said, hey, you're pretty retarded, so we're going to put you in this thing called it's, by the way, it's not a
Is it a private school? Sorry.
University of Minnesota, like the public school.
It is. It's a state school.
Yep.
Okay, that makes sense. Yep.
And basically they're like, we'll let you into this school called General College. It's literally like you have to do it for 2 years and then transfer into like a degree granting school like College of Liberal Arts. And
basically you had summer school.
100% for my freshman and sophomore years. 2 years after I got into General College, they closed the school. They're like, go to community college, transfer in, call it good. So literally, like, the school that I got into is no longer a school. And then the law school I went to also is no longer a school because they merged with another school. So literally,
you're a man without a country.
100%. I'm, like Hmong over here. Like I
you might as well have taken one of those online scam college courses or
Trump
degrees.
University was looking pretty good, not gonna lie. But I snuck in.
Was that a thing though? I'm thinking of something else. Let me Google for it. You've probably heard of it.
He got sued by the people and he had to declare bankruptcy is one of the times.
Yeah. I know what you mean. Honestly, like Trump has done so many like random weird businesses that I don't know. I feel like just because some of them have declared bankruptcy isn't necessarily a bad signal, but I get it. Like he did Trump steaks, if you throw a ton of shit at the wall, sometimes you got to take an L,
So true.
He loves putting his name on things, so that is for show.
So
Trump mattresses.
True. That's a thing?
I think that was the thing.
Wow. Okay. Committed. Check.
Trump Home.
Server logs.
It's a brand of furniture and home items.
Wow.
Launched in July 2007.
Trump crypto is my personal favorite. Like, that's just...
This is the first time hearing of it, to be honest.
Obscene. It was kind of good. Like...
By Trump crypto, do you mean just like him doing like weird crypto deals while being the president of the United States?
Yeah, literally Trump coin. We had a space like when it was released and like people were buying it like as a meme kind of vibe and like...
No, they want to get rich.
Of course. Yeah. I mean, game be the game.
Okay, so it says I pulled up the first Google searches, CoinMarketCap, official Trump. Seems to be the Trump coin. It peaked in 2025, basically 1 year ago from today, at $45 per share or whatever the fuck they call it per coin. Wow. Now it's at, as we speak, it's at $4.50. So that's
interesting.
What, a 90% decline? Then like the Melania coin, is that legit or? crypto scammers. It's tough to tell.
No, was also a thing.
Like official though.
The official one was official, yeah. I think there were like 3 or 4 like family members basically made bank on it. Which, God bless.
Gotcha. I have the Wikipedia pulled up. $Trump posted on the Solana blockchain. 1 billion coins created, 800 million remain owned by 2 Trump-owned companies. 200 million released in a public initial coin offering 1 year ago from today. But
Oh my
more
God.
or less.
Remember when ICOs
Yeah.
were like a way to do startups?
I don't. I
Fun
do know what you're
startups.
talking about. I've always thought of them to be a scam, not to flex, and it's easy to say in hindsight, but
No, real.
I always knew those were just silly. It was like Chamath offering a stock.
So true.
But that I actually thought was real.
I mean, there's a company
Hashtag
there.
bamboozled.
Ayo.
Open Door is one that comes to mind.
Did they SPAC with him?
All right. I think he took Open Door public via a SPAC, if you will. He did a few of them.
Gotcha.
He would release one-page Google Docs outlining the business, take it public via SPAC, and then scam a bunch of retail investors and leave them holding the bag. He will later intertwine with the top politicians of the United States and somehow leave his reputation intact.
Not wrong.
Like the interesting fella.
I think he's, I mean, of all
A scammer.
He's a douchebag. Like, I don't, like, the thing that I don't honestly like about him is, like, you got to pick a lane, dude. You can't just be this, like, folksy, like, everyman part of the time and then be this, like, I make fun of my $7,000 sweater guy the other half the time. Like, none of that comes off as real, right? Like, it just feels
I
like,
appreciate that. I can't. Here's my thing. As much as I want to agree with you, it's like obviously working. So maybe we should be taking notes instead of talking shit. Type
fair,
shit.
fair. Yeah,
You know,
that's a
But
healthy
yeah,
way
he's-
to look at it.
he is a little piece of shit. Don't get me wrong. I agree with you.
Also fair. Yeah, so P.E. Cooper. Tonight we are going to be rocking some dun dun dun. Whoa, that looks crazy. Tonight we're going to be rocking some video. So if you didn't catch the last stream, ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Cooper and myself were basically going through a hype video, and PE is basically the master of all things
That's not true.
guerrilla marketing, GORILLA, and
Yes, sir.
as he is, preeminently known across the world as being an expert in this, was able to help come up with a script that after 20, 30 tries, we finally got something close to what we're looking for. And by doing that, we were able to get it done. So basically what we're going to do tonight is do the rest of it. So there's a couple, we have all of the videos saved from a couple days ago. Do you remember when that was, by the way? Is that a week ago?
I don't. Sorry. I could probably. We'll look together.
Oh, it's this one. Okay.
Sounds
right.
good.
Let me pause the music quick. Okay.
Sounds good.
Hell yeah. I actually don't know.
If it's not easy, let's rip it. A co-host reacting to you and kind of roasting you.
So chat, this was the
Line breaks. Honestly,
this was the the script we came up with, and this is the several efforts it took to get
Right.
to it. No,
The script.
Dovi
I
the previous username
weird to
before.
hear
or
yourself
uncle. Isn't that so weird?
from a week ago. A little bit. I'll be okay. But yeah, basically I babysat Seb while he recorded a Fantastic Loom video.
Thanks, babe.
Babysat being the nicest way to the meanest way to put it, I guess. Actually, sorry. I adult sat. I was a motivational beacon,
Yep, I like it.
trying to keep him on subject and to make his video.
And Lord help you.
So we're gonna just go clip his best version and ship it.
Okay. So I think this was after we fucked around with it for a minute. It was like the last
Dude,
one.
there
he
was like
did,
a
right?
million takes, respectfully.
I think it was this one. Delivery.
Yeah. Just say, "What's up, Zeb?" Just like to test. Better until the end of time.
HostFabric.ai integrates into your streaming software and lets you add an AI co-host where you get to decide its personality and appearance. Your AI co-host reacts to you, but it also reacts to your stream chat as well. It integrates into all the popular streaming software, your OBS, Streamlabs, you name it. So if you're ready to level up your stream, check out HostFabric.ai. What do you think? That might have been one.
All right, so remember that timestamp if you don't mind, because it's kind of cut off for me.
3 hours, 22 minutes.
Got it, 322. All right,
Yeah.
keep going forward and make sure you didn't do any other
The
takes after.
eternal.
I'm gonna guess the last take is the best.
I think it was that one.
The
eternal coach.
There's like, I don't know what we did for the rest of the stream then. Keep going forward like a large jump.
Until the end.
Sorry to backseat.
I can tell when they're doing the gradients. And remember, we tried to get the AI to respond. RTMP stuff.
I do, but also I don't remember like how it intertwined.
I don't think it ever was.
See, right there, you're back to editing the script. Oh, and then we were doing the voice. I do remember that.
The moderately or potentially racist voices from Google, by the way. So it's not our racism.
It's applied racism.
Well, in the moral hierarchy of that, I'm okay with it. So 322, I think. Let's call it.
All right, clip it, ship it, shove it up your butt.
When you say clip it, can you do that through?
So you're using Windows, which is a very good operating system, but also I just don't know how to do basic shit. If this was Mac, I'd open it in QuickTime, do a trim, bing, bang, boom, I'm moving. They, on Windows, probably have some dog shit Windows Movie Maker, which holds you hostage and probably has some AI bullshit built in.
Yeah. All the above. Actually, ironically, or I don't know if it's ironic, but I did have Adobe Premiere on here. Let me see if I still have a license.
Talk about overkill. We just need to clip a time from the video. Fuck Adobe.
Agree. What's Clipchamp? Can you do it with this? I don't know what this
Do you
is.
have an NVIDIA driver?
Uh-huh.
Do you have a custom built PC, Zeb?
Nope. It's from
You bought a pre-built?
Micro Center.
Like a pre-built though?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's beefy. It's
I believe
5090.
I don't know what that means. I'm actually very much not well versed in GPUs, but for a layman explanation, what's a 5090? Is that top tier, middle tier these days?
It's the top tier. They had a sale, which is why I got it, but it was still $1,200 GPU.
$1,200. I actually just, as I was telling you, I just ordered the GPU.
1,400. Yeah. Did you go NVIDIA
Let's
or?
go. I did go NVIDIA just because CUDA. I don't know if that's how you say the acronym, but basically I needed an NVIDIA driver. So I bought one used off eBay.
Hell yeah.
And I wonder if I got a 5090 or what.
But that would be sick.
So can that clip?
I think so.
Can the clip champ clip?
I'm just gonna do AO.
Can a chimpo clip?
Did I say 232?
You said 332 maybe. I forget now. Embarrassing. 322, I want to say.
Okay. That seems right.
I bought a 46. Oh, wait, no, I didn't. Oh shit, I did buy a 4060.
It's a good card.
It's dog shit, isn't it? Be honest with me.
So bad. What's it like being a poor? I'm kidding. I'm so poor.
Dude, I don't even use. I have a custom built PC because I'm not a big old dummy who needs to buy a pre-built. But and I'm gonna slap this new GPU.
So I respect it.
It's a 16 gigabyte MSI GeForce RTX 460 Ti.
Yeah, it's a great card.
Does that mean anything to you?
It's it's like last gen's high end middle tier card.
High end middle tier. Fuck you. No, I'm just kidding. I appreciate that.
I had a 1660 before this thing this summer for like 6 years, and it worked great. So, dude, that's their previous version. The 460.
The PC naming conventions, by PC I mean like parts. Just like they come up with the dumbest fucking names, the most confusing naming conventions.
100% agree.
This one's the 5200 double Z left pocket dog shit model.
Hey, what's up? It's Zeb. I just built a streaming app I'm excited to share. I wanted to find a way to liven up my streams and get more viewers, and I found that solution in AI co-hosts. So that's why I built this streaming app to add that to your stream as well. Your AI co-hosts are whatever you want them to be. If that's the vibe of the banter, like on The View, or a Comedy Central roast. Okay. AI co-host liven. Okay, so I did a different one. Thank God.
I was right with the 322 timestamp though. So.
Hell yeah.
I feel like the coach from the movie Whiplash right now. Dude, you know?
I remember when you said
again. I did too. No, seriously, rip it back.
Okay. Split. Please be the one. Hey, what's up? It's Zeb. I just built a streaming app that I'm excited to share. I wanted to find a way to liven up my streams, get more viewers, and I found that solution in AI co-hosts. So that's why I built a streaming app that you can add to your own stream. Your AI co-hosts are whatever you want them to be. If that's a banter vibe like The View or Comedy Central Roast, or even just a buddy to say, hey, you missed that headshot again, you have infinite options. My app, HostFabric.ai, integrates into your streaming software and lets you add an AI co-host where you decide its personality and appearance. So your AI co-host can react to you, but also your stream as well. If your AI... God damn it. I'm cringing so hard. God. I'm so fucking weird. Hey, what's up? It's Zeb. I just built a streaming app that I'm excited to share. I wanted to find a way to liven up my stream, get more viewers, and I found that solution in AI co-hosts. So that's why I built this streaming app that you can add to your stream. Your AI co-hosts are whatever you want them to be. If that's the banter vibe from The View, Comedy Central Roast, or just someone to say, hey, you missed that headshot again, you have infinite options. My app, HostFabric.ai, integrates into your streaming software and lets you add AI co-hosts where you decide its personality and appearance. Your AI co-host can react to you and your stream chat as well. It integrates into all the popular streaming software, OBS, Streamlabs, you name it. If you're ready to level up your stream, check out HostFabric.ai. What do you think? Ship it?
What was that?
I said ship it?
Yeah, you have it clipped?
Yep. Okay.
Yeah, I would
So it's this guy here.
perfect, man.
Sick. Okay. So export that. Notice a visual gap in your video. Fix.
So I think all right, as long as you know what you're doing. I just didn't want like 3 hours of black before the
smart.
clip starts.
I think that's what it just did. Hype.
Cool. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go pee.
Cool.
Don't call back until it's clipped.
Yeah, TED 4. Okay, chat. So it's rendering right now. Let's go. Open file. Hey, what's up? It's Zeb. I just built a streaming app that I'm excited to share. I wanted to find a way to liven up my So stream, cringy, chat. get more viewers, and I found that solution in AI co-hosts. So that's why I built this streaming app that you can add to your stream. Your AI co-hosts are whatever you want them to be. If that's the banter vibe from The View, Comedy Central Roast, or just someone to say, hey, you missed that headshot again, you have infinite options. My app, HostFabric.ai, integrates into your streaming software and lets you add AI co-hosts where you decide its personality and appearance. Your AI co-host can react to you and your stream chat as well. It integrates into all the popular streaming software, OBS, Streamlabs, you name it. If you're ready to level up your stream, check out HostFabric.ai. What do you think? That'll work. That will work. Cool. Let's get some music back. I do want to hear how loud this is for you guys. This is me testing to see how loud this is. This is a test. I'm still testing. It takes a while. Okay. The audio sounds a little crunchy, but I don't care. Good enough.
What's that mean, crunchy?
Kind of like I don't like it. It doesn't sound as crisp as it should. Like it sounds like it's
Gotcha.
behind a condenser or something.
Fuck it. All right, so let's look. 7 hours later.
We have it, PE.
That's all it takes.
Yeah, that's all it takes.
So let's look at the landing page real quick, if you don't mind, unless you're doing something else. And do you mind turning down the music a little bit? It's super like, or maybe I should turn down my volume.
No,
But
I was just thinking it's too loud.
yeah, you're a bit. Just make it quieter than you. Then I can
Is that
do what I
better?
gotta do. I don't even hear it at all now, but I'm in Discord, so. No, it sounds good.
Okay.
All right, so I'd remove that background, honestly. It's almost overwhelming,
Okay.
the background video. A smarter way to run your stream. I don't really like that tagline, but you do you.
No. What do you got?
It's, well, it's not really a smarter way to like run your stream. It's like that makes me think like it's gonna like in one click stream to multiple platforms or something, but it's like a more entertaining way to run your stream. Let's
It's a really good
honestly
point.
though, I'd remove that as just like a first step before we get doing a ton of shit. I'd remove that background video, replace it with a fucking solid color, and put your Loom video on your right.
Okay. Hold, please. And chat, we can actually use the coding again. Remove the background. Home page. Marketing page. Make it a solid background and use this video on the right. Do you think like 50-50 or like 1/3, 2/3 for the text?
1/3, 2/3 sounds good.
2/3 for the video to the right of it. Okay, so let's see, where did it save that to? Actually, one sec. Okay, so I'm going to move it into the project folder. I think it's called Bunny. Can you do star.mp4?
I'm sorry.
Trying to figure out how to find the video behind it.
It's probably that video class in the right side. Yeah, video class. Just press delete key on that element. Press delete key.
Nice.
Okay, that's it. Now undo, and yeah, good shit.
What is the video though? Hero demo. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna delete that. Hero demo. Okay. From the full instead. It's all background. Use. Okay. So npm run dev, see it locally. Chat, notice we're using Composer 1 because it's really fast, and for something simple like this, definitely the way to do it. Okay. And when I mean
Sorry.
oh, there we go.
You got to make it so it's not going to crop the video. It should always show the unzoomed version type shit.
So that's the hard part, since the video itself is that. Remember we had the bars because I used the widescreen monitor. Hey, what's up? It's Zeb. I just
Yeah, but okay, so let's fix the video first. First off, it's got to be cropped a little bit sooner. Nobody's going to watch 10 seconds of you turn around in your chair, you know? Just do it when you turn around, like right before.
Okay. Hey, what's up? It's Zeb. I just built it. Okay. And then can we just crop this down? Is this illegal?
Nice.
A streaming app that I'm excited to share. I wanted to find a way to Cool. Okay, let's go. Hey, what's up? It's Zeb. I just built a streaming app that I'm excited to share. Okay, so now it's going to be a little bit wide, but I think it'll be okay. What's your favorite kind of ice cream, PE?
I don't really like ice cream.
Okay. What is it like being a crazy person?
Pretty good.
Sick.
Let's go with the Rocky Road.
Excellent choice.
So I'd answer if I was on an icebreaker Zoom call at a new job and they asked me that bullshit.
Fair. Okay, why are we still getting bars? Oh, dude, it still puts bars on it. Actually, I can't tell. Hey, what's up? It's Zeb. I just built a streaming app that I'm excited to share. I wanted to find a way to liven up my stream, get more views. Maybe not. Okay. Make sure the height of the container matches the height of the video, and make sure the video can be seen full and not cut off on the sides. Yeah, it still looks like it has some bullshit here and here.
Yeah, I mean, how does the video file look? Does it have the black bars? Sorry if you just said that.
I think it does. I can't tell. Hey, what's up? It's Zeb.
Can you put it into window mode and try shrinking it and see if the black bars go away? Like the media player could be adding those. See, they don't go away.
They do if you do it to the smallest height. So I think they're not there.
They don't. Even at the smallest height, it's still there. At least yeah. Unless they add padding.
Excited to share. I wanted to find a way to liven up my. Yeah, I can't tell.
Yeah, just Google online crop video tool. Upload that video, and I just don't know what Windows Movie Maker does. Yeah, fuck it, do that one. No, yeah, just do it. Who gives a fuck?
I guess as long as we're giving them the video, it's chill, right?
What do you mean?
Like we're not. I guess we're going to be downloading the cropped version of it, which could be sketchy, but
yeah, I mean, it's being streamed anyway, so there we go. All right, crop it and save it.
if this is actually free, this is insane. Thank you, onlinevideocutter.com. Everybody go give them some love. I love
Hell yeah.
online tools that just work for free without any bullshit. Needs permission to download. Okay. Hey, what's up? It's Zeb. I just built a streaming app that I'm excited to share. Let's go. Actually, let's just... all right. Okay, and now we can just move this up. Have the height of the container only as high as the video in full screen mode. Same on the left 1/3. So do you think they should have audio as well?
Definitely, because you're talking in it, right?
Yeah.
So
Also, I think we need to crop it a little bit more. Some fast GPUs too. Shit.
I'm sorry.
I said they have some fast GPUs working on that too. That was fast.
Let's get it.
Play the audio as well on auto. I wanted to find a way to liven up my stream, get more viewers, and I found that solution. Okay. The fuck is that? Only on reload. I wonder if this is one of those autoplay bullshit things where the browser doesn't play audio with video on it now.
I gotcha. I think that only would be an issue in iOS Safari, to be honest. And I think that's, you can autoplay, but it has to be muted. And I could be wrong, but I'm probably right.
Okay. Built a streaming app that I'm excited to share. I wanted to find a way to liven up my stream, get more viewers, and I found that solution in AI
Gotcha.
So that's why I built this streaming app that you can add to your
Sorry,
stream.
I kind of...
Your AI co-hosts
So...
whatever you want them to be, if that's...
Yeah. Like, you have the video element muted by default, though?
No, it shouldn't be. It said it got rid of the muted by default. To click the video. I think this is a thing because like a lot of the like news websites you go to, you have to click the video for it to play.
Yeah, the user has to, sorry, I was wrong. The user has to have interacted with the page prior. So they have to, by interact, I mean clicked or press the key, scroll isn't enough.
I wanted to find a way to liven up my stream. Should I put a big ass like play button or something here?
That's how, exactly. Yeah, I would have it pause and play button overlay. And that click will allow you to play it unmuted.
Okay. I just love how fast it is, dude. I just built a streaming app that I'm excited to share. I wanted to find a way to liven up my stream, get more viewers, and I found that solution in AI co-hosts. So that's why I built this streaming app that you can add to your stream. Can you imagine if that like Opus 4.5 had that fast of tokens? Dude, life would be fucking baller.
It would be.
Hey, what's up? It's Zeb. I just built a streaming app that... Okay.
The pause button should probably disappear while the video is playing, and yeah, then clicking again should pause. Type shit.
It's kind of hard to see. Hey, what's up? It's Zeb. I just built a streaming app that I'm excited to share. Wait. the streaming app that I'm excited to share. I wanted to find a way to liven up my stream, get more viewers, and I found that. So how should we do this? Should we start with it paused? Start with the video paused.
Yep, that sounds good.
With the play button in the middle, so they can hear the audio. Hey, what's up? It's Zeb. I just built a streaming app that I'm excited to share. I wanted to find a way to liven up my stream, get more viewers, and I found that shipping. Just that easy, chat. Type check. I always have to do a type check now before I ship it, so then I don't have to have Vercel say fuck you and go back and do it and waste another 3 minutes. So are you excited to, like, what new features are you going to be able to offer people on AI memes with the beefy new hardware?
That is a fantastic question. If you don't mind, it's just going to be a surprise, because if I tell about it right now, I just want to wait for it to be available before I talk about it.
All right.
You know, they say if you pitch something before it's done, you get the satisfaction without having done it yet, and you won't do it eventually. Does that make any sense?
I have heard that, actually. Talking about things, and this is even bit me in the ass a couple times, because you get that like pre-dopamine dopamine. And it's
That's
like,
exactly it.
I'm doing something about this. But don't you ever, and this is one of the reasons I like streaming, like it kind of forces you to do it. Like it gives you social pressure to do it.
That's true, but I don't think it outweighs, for me at least, because everyone's different. Like you're saying, like an accountability partner.
Yeah.
Almost. But I'm not really into that. I know it works for some people. I just want to, also is like things change. So I don't really want to like talk about a feature until it's done, just because what if I run into a roadblock and I have to pivot? What if it's way better than what I pitched originally? That would be the best outcome, right? But more likely outcome is it's a worse version than what I pitched, which would be a great start, but now it feels like I've failed.
That's pretty sound logic. I can't argue with that. Although I can wonder why that didn't kick off a Vercel deploy. Did we successfully push to Vercel? I finally got on tier 3 of OpenAI's API.
What does that mean?
Basically, if you spend enough time and money with them, they bump you up to the next tier. And I heard once you get to like tier 4, then they start inviting you to like their developer conferences and stuff.
Nice.
Exciting. So that would be fun. Tier 4 or 5, I heard conflicting things.
They're like Ferrari,
How's that?
Maybe like Rolex would be a better example. Basically, like you have to spend a bunch of money with them to get their latest offering, so they make this kind of like weird, sort of almost community, but it's smart.
Hell yeah. Okay, I'm not seeing it push, so I'm just gonna push a small little change here. Just to see if we can't kick off the build. But let's assume that this is gonna work because we just gotta push it and it'll be there. So I was gonna ask you, have you found any other use cases for Claude or Molt bot now?
I kind of use it the same way I'd use any other AI model. It's just useful because it has a dangerous level of permissions, and kind of have it with full freedom. I don't have email hooked up to it or anything like that, like Twitter. Just I don't even want to worry about like prompt injection shit, to be honest. But I had to like set my PC up to so I can use it as a server. It installed Docker for me. I used it to like ping me about to-do items.
Dude, that's
nothing.
worth its weight in gold.
Yeah, I agree. It's nice. I don't know. It's been fun to play around with. I'm probably doing a bad job explaining it, but it's not too much different than like just using ChatGPT, or I guess Claude Code would be a better example. But
Yeah.
It's fun, and I'm loving the frequency they're shipping new things and taking a lot of risks that Claude Code wouldn't offer. So
100%. I've been like glued to their GitHub commits just to see how many they're pushing. And guys, look at this. This is the fucking list every single day that they have. And a lot of these are little things, right? Like a couple lines here and there, but
yeah, someone called them atomic commits, which I don't. Not to discredit, this isn't meant to discredit Peter, because he deserves the most props and he's shipping a ton. But it's a smart way to do it, of just making a very small change, committing it, rather than like drumming up this huge big change. Instead, it's like a micro commit and shipping frequently rather than waiting. It's a smart way to do it in short. And
hold on.
Yeah,
did he rename
so it's
it
open
again?
claw now. I just saw a tweet 30 minutes ago.
I mean, it's better than Moltbot, let's be honest.
I agree. I think it's a nice name.
Okay. Moltbot came next. I like it.
I mean, Moltbot, it's funny because that and molted, it's like cocoon
Yeah,
between caterpillar and butterfly.
exactly. That's hilarious. I mean, it is. It's cool to see the amount of pushes. And oh, sick!
It is.
He pushed 44 minutes ago. We got a fresh version.
Nice.
But yeah, I've been playing around with it. It's a cool tool. I actually want to do a whole video on it with you
It
sometime.
fucks up a lot, by the way. As much as people
does.
like
It does
love
so
to glaze
much.
it, it's not like it's some new tier of AI model, to be honest. It's not like it just does stuff for you while you sleep. If you go check my latest tweet, I did an offensive funny video. I guess my second latest tweet. There it is. How my Claude bot be moving while I sleep, just scrolling past it. Just scroll past it.
This one.
Nope. Up two. There you go. That one. On my quad bot, be moving while I sleep. I don't know if you've seen that video before,
That's a banger. Yeah.
but
Uh-huh.
it's an Oppenheimer edit, but I face swapped somebody with Down syndrome.
That's so
So the
fucking
joke
good.
is that, yeah.
Yeah, Lil Jon liking it. Nice. No, dude, that's epic. Holy shit. Well played.
It might give you a hint at the new AI memes feature coming out.
Oh, okay. Stay tuned, everybody. Again, that's aimemes.com for the uninitiated. This is PE's brainchild, and it's badass. You get to see all the like current memes that are crushing on X, and you can add your own flavor to them. You can add magic to them, and face swap is really fun.
Yes, sir.
I dig it. Awesome. Okay, so let's check the site.
Streaming just leveled up. I'm your real-time brain. Analyzing chat,
Oh shit.
pulling
It's the old
insights,
version.
highlighting trends, questions,
Oof.
I like it.
Wait, why is it the old version? Come on. It's a video. You can play it. Have you ever seen a 416 before? Requested
Like aspect
range.
ratio.
Requested range not satisfied. Not satisfiable.
Oh, a 416 error code.
Yeah, I've never seen that.
I mean, me neither.
It's my goal in life to
It might be because the encoding of the video is my first guess.
The 416 error occurs when the browser requests a byte range the server can't satisfy. Often this happens with preload auto or an explicit video load. Updating the video loading logic to handle this. Well, there you go. Well, PE, that's a big thing I wanted to do tonight, man. Honestly, thank you.
The pleasure was all mine, Zeb. I'm glad we got a video launched.
Honestly, I want to play games and shit with you too. Like, I don't want this to always only be a get this shit going kind of stream. Oh, can I show one thing quick?
What game would you like to play? Of course, it's your stream.
So each of these now, so it's two things. First, this has a full screen mode. And then on the, sorry, let me show this real quick. Host fabric
You're good, dude. Showed up.
/admin. So on the admin page here, I now have the ability to do masking pipelines. So I kind of made this for each of the different characters. And now you can set like the actual masks of the individual character itself. And so now you can
Cool.
do like people with.
Yeah, how would we use that?
So let's go to a humanoid. This dude, right? Like, say
Yep.
you want to make him darker. Now he's a dark dude with red hair or pink hair. Isn't that cool?
That's very cool. A little bit more customization, huh?
Yeah, I gotta fix this shit. That's annoying, actually. I did like a fill option, So first I tried this only with models, and you can get pretty close, but it still gives you some shitty option or like versions of it. So then now I have to do like a fill brush with hair just to get rid of all the like little annoying dots here. But for a vibe coded thing, dude, it's not too shabby.
Sick.
What game do you want to play?
The character custom, yeah, the character customization is on point. I love that. I remember last time we streamed, there was some issues with like delays.
Yes.
Are you still working on the issues with delays, or?
So that's what been delaying. Basically, the reason I haven't streamed.
I gotcha.
I've
No
been-
worries. I get it.
I've been fixing it. Honestly, let's try. So here's
Yeah, let's try it.
so I go to the dashboard, refresh. Let me grab the latest and greatest of this. Hey, how's it going tonight? Still no dice. Okay. In chat, I am in the process of a big rewrite of this. I was talking to PE before the stream. ChatGPT and I went on a long chat about how do you make this truly world class. Like, ignore all the current shit in there. Like, what could you do to make this?
It's
the best
incapable
process?
of ignoring all the current shit.
It did all the research prior to looking at any files, is how I told it to do
That's
it.
good.
And then I
I
said,
like it.
look at our current implementation, take the best from both. And then it gave me this very detailed list, which basically the changes, the big ones are switching it from an RTMP to WebRTC. So basically it's
You want
a-
SPE Cooper bot, what he'd do?
What?
You want SPE Cooper bot, what he'd do?
Yeah, how would we do that?
So what I would do, dude, is I would approach this like we did ThinkTuber, and I would just start with a single page and break it down into 3 items. I'd keep the code you have for now, but just isolate this new test page, and that's all the AI has to work on. I'd break this down into like 3 components. Number 1, it needs to take an audio input, that's your mic, and it needs to turn it to text. So that's step 1. I almost guarantee there's like a transcription, speech to text, that can run locally in their browser. The second step is to transmit that to an LLM via API and get a response back. The third step is to take that text and turn it into audio. So that's then text to speech. With those, like once you have those 3 parts solid on an isolated page, you can just plug it into your great existing system and character creation, all that. But right now it's like it has to ingest so much code just to make it better. But instead I would isolate it so you can ensure it's the best version with limited code. And then once you have that, you can just plug it into your existing code base. That's my take on it.
It's a really good take. Honestly, I love that.
Otherwise, you're gonna just waste hours and hours just like trying to get it. It's gonna take a lot of time on each iteration, and then you're gonna refresh it. It's not gonna be exactly what you want, and this way, you're just gonna save a ton of time, basically.
Love it. I love it. honestly, dude, yeah, you're right. That is the way to do it, 100%. And I'm gonna take this, turn it into a prompt, and actually, let's do that. I'll kick that off in the
Let's do the first part and then let's play a game. If that's chill with you.
Fuck yeah, let's do it.
All right. So, you mind if I backseat code some more?
Do it.
Also, start. All right. You have a directory you put your code in?
Yep.
Kind of thing. Okay, cool. So make a new folder. Make directory, and just call it whatever you want, and then just put an index.html file in it. Then open that blank file. No AI required, but I guess you could prompt AI to do that for you. And let's just do the first step of, it's going to take your audio input and we need it to very quickly, that's a key part for the response time. It should basically be doing it instantly.
Okay, say that part again.
Just make a new directory, like an isolated one. You can call it whatever you want.
Yep. I just did that and added an index.html.
Perfect. Let's open that index.html both in your code editor and your browser. This is basically exactly how we did ThinkTuber.
True.
And we're going to just start with the very first
might need to restart. Okay. We got him.
All right, cool. Why does that have like styles and shit on it?
It does for any 404 page.
What's doing that though? I
think I might have misspelled this.
Oh, I think, do you have host type running on port 3000? Because if so, you either need to right click index.html,
Excuse me.
or rather in that left sidebar, drag that onto your Chrome tab. Like drag that onto the Chrome logo. We don't need a server running. Yep,
Oh.
drag it onto Chrome.
Yeah, well, I'll just turn it off.
That will kind of help, but then it still won't resolve. You need to paste the path of the file in there.
Oh, I got you. Yeah. Okay.
All right, there's what I'm expecting to see. Okay, cool. Now, tell it to say prompt index. So start a new chat, basically in cursor. Get all that, if you don't mind, get all that terminal shit out of my face too. Just because we're not using it yet. That's for different. Just, X that shit out. Or minimize. Perfect. Okay. Just tell it to do skeleton HTML bare minimum. And instead of Composer, if you're trying to save credits, do it. But otherwise, just do Opus 4.5 or Codex 5.2.
Yep. Okay.
Skeleton HTML bare minimum, enter.
What is the bare minimum?
It's going to be this thing I could write on paper without a prompt. Yeah, it's going to be HTML is then head, body. Most browsers would open the page even if you were missing a lot of this. So it's a good question what the bare minimum is, but this looks like it.
I like it.
Okay, cool. The next step is prompt it to say allow user. We need to add a mic input and then show a very simple visualization. This way we'll just know it can connect to your mic and we'll know the audio is flowing in with the very, very simple visualizer. Very simple. AI will be verbose unless you fucking beat it into submission.
Yeah, not wrong.
See, even this, it looks like it's fucking just lines and lines of code. That looks good though. Let's give it a quick refresh and make sure that you can connect your mic, and it, when you scream, it should light up, and when you're quiet, it should quiet. Perfect.
This is a test. This is working. Actually, it's kind of a badass visualizer.
Is it working though? I think I'm just delayed a little bit, but
This
if it
is a
looks good on
test.
your end,
Test. Yeah, it seems like
it's weird. Like it's weird how it looks, but we accomplished our goal. Okay, the next step is
Boom.
to do some human research and do speech to text in browser. I'm about to Google this.
I'm going to turn this into plan mode just to search for it, not do any look for a speech to text model can use in the browser to capture speech and output text.
So I've already Googled it, and let's see what it says. But I think we're going to want to use the web speech API, which is
Yep, that's one of the things it's searching.
we'll see if
What is WASM?
WASM is like running, the way I look at it, which is probably wrong, it's like running an app in your browser. So more, it's like you could run like a model in your browser, which it allows your computer to run like more intensive stuff in the browser, like an app in the browser.
Okay. So it's saying
It's like an executable in the browser.
option 1, web speech API, native browser, simplest option already used in its code base. Zero dependencies built into browsers. It
So
doesn't
that
have
looks like it's
Firefox or
Chrome and Edge
Safari.
only. Yeah. I gotcha. I like the WebAssembly. I actually like option 2 a bit better. Let's try that one. Say, do option 2, and option 3 also looks good. But all right, so tell it this. Say use option both 2 and 3, and show a separate interface for both. Have them both accept audio input, and have them output the words I'm speaking from the mic input. Send tweet. Test. I'm gonna mute, sorry.
You're good. In chat, when you don't have a PE Cooper bot to help, plan mode is the way to do it. Like, it's literally the only way that you get intelligent AI answers for things that are more complicated than just a, change the color of this button kind of text. It's legitimately like a project manager versus like a just jump in and YOLO it. So highly recommend. Okay, so let's start the server. It's using, it says npx serve. It's fine. Okay.
Don't open those end files, environment files. .env.
Yeah,
All right.
true. Okay.
Nice.
It's here, but I don't know if it'll work without the server.
I gotcha. Yeah, open in the server. I thought that might happen. Just sorry, I haven't been watching Polly. Just ask, unless you know the path, just ask what the URL will be when the server started. There you go. Oh, you started the server and I think you might have started in the wrong directory, but that would also work probably. Good shit.
That'll do it. Okay, it's gonna add some cores, removal process. I guess we could just test it to see.
Wouldn't hurt. Well, prompts. And then do the other one too. Do transformers.js. I think the issues will, oh, that's already working. Perfect. Click start on transformers.js.
Hello,
Then begin
how's it
talking.
going tonight? This is a test. Hello, how's everybody doing tonight?
I'd like to see it like more live, to be honest, but I don't really know the state of things. But I imagine it could be more live. But let's first, yeah, fix up that bullshit. And on the next prompt, if you wouldn't mind, just switch to, we'll see if this works, but I would probably switch to Codex 5.2. We'll see if it's, oh, it's still in plan mode, by the way. I don't know if you want it to be.
I actually don't. It usually changes it from planned agent mode. What exactly?
And yeah, get the URL, because it might be an issue just because you didn't start the server in the new directory directly. I'll be back in a couple minutes. I'm gonna go grab a drink. Be right back.
Sounds good. Okay, so we need the full URL. This is a test. Can you hear this okay? How's it going, chat? Hope you guys are having a good night. Thanks for hanging out with us here. Working through this pretty painful process, so this is a good way to do it. Okay. Oh God. So that's a runaway server. You gotta control C that to stop it. Super fun. Okay, so we're gonna restart the server. Hard refresh. It's still in a loop or something. This over.
What is going on here, Zeb?
And over. I honestly don't know. Keeps 404ing on
I see what you're saying.
some web tools.
Yep, cool. Now open it at localhost 3000. Don't do the absolute path. If you don't mind. Yep, perfect. Sorry, hit back. Are you not in the directory where you start? If you don't mind just toggling back super quick to your cursor. Okay, cool. So where you started the server, what directory is that in? Where the loop was happening? Nope, sorry, in terminal. Yes, that. What hit cancel it, just if you don't mind. Like, yep, perfect. Okay, go into the exact directory. You're in like co-hosts. Look where it says C drive projects co-host. No, in terminal. Before I lose my shit. Yes, that terminal at the bottom after you canceled. Do you see how the directory is co-host?
Yeah.
Go to the fucking new P.E. Cooper one. Start the server there.
Oh, got you.
Bing, bang, boom. Such a nice guy, aren't I? Haha.
So good.
Such a douche.
Honestly, though.
All right, now rip it. Press up on your fucking arrow key. Yup, let's get it.
Not a douche. You're too hard on yourself.
Yeah, fucking I'm a douche. I'm embracing it. And now you can just remove that path and hell yeah. No, all of it. Yup.
Good point.
Yes.
Good point. I
Okay,
gotcha.
now we don't have to worry about that anymore. But we do have to worry about the 404 for the fucking.
Yep.
So like a big issue is like, it's I not a big issue. I would open Cursor with just the PE Cooper bot directory because you have all those other files. Kind of, I don't know how it's going to add it to its context, but like, just
Yeah, I got you.
yeah, there we go. It's doing it. Never mind. I think it just did what we needed.
Nice.
Give that page a refresh. Probably don't need to restart server.
Okay.
Okay, now they'll need the fave icons for 404. Is that right?
Yep. Yes,
Oh,
that is
no,
correct. P.E. Cooper.
No, I can see the I can't see the exact name, but COI service worker.js is 404ing. So, but hang on, before we keep prompting over and over, in the right sidebar where it shows that script with the red text COI service worker, right click that and click copy path. Yeah, copy. Yep, perfect. URL. Nope, just the first one. We don't want all of them. Yep. Now paste that so we can see what it is. Don't paste it into the fucking. I just wanted you to go to it in your browser. Okay. Oh, I gotta zoom out. My bad. So we can see the path is super weird, right?
Yeah.
Now, there we go. So now we just go and fix it ourselves. That's remove the text you just removed from the code. Do a little human coding.
Gross.
So back in index.html, please. Nice. And then look for where it calls that file. Oh, it's just doing it like that. Try adding a slash in front of it, maybe. Did we do it?
This is a test. Test, test, test.
That one always worked, right?
No, neither of them.
Gotcha. Well, the error is not showing up, but in your right sidebar, I still see like a 404 for the script. So it's not, yeah, that. Copy the URL. Yep. Paste it. No, there's no way that's it. There's zero chance. Go back and copy URL of COI service worker. Yep. Yep. Paste.
It's still lib.
Is it the?
It's a libtard.
I can't see. Okay, it's doing a lib path. All right.
We could do dot slash.
Yeah, sure. I like it. Refresh. We're just looking at that red text in the network tab and making sure it resolves. Nothing else. We don't care about anything else.
There we go.
It resolved. There we go.
Hello, how's it going tonight?
Kind of fucked up doing two models at once. Whatever. Try and load the Whisper model though. That's.
Well, this one I think it can figure out because it's just a type issue.
All right. In the meantime, go back while that loads and try and load the Whisper model though, if you don't mind. Okay. More errors. Refresh it and try its changes before prompting it again. Nope. Do the Whisper model.
Well, this was
Do the
one
Whisper
that-
model. That's the one we're. Nah, fuck that model. Yeah, do the Whisper model. Yup. Okay. Quick start.
Hello, how's it going tonight? Can you hear this okay?
Yeah, there we go.
Yo, it's finally working. Let's go. I wonder if this is actually streaming or if it's actually a different type.
I think it's loading like an application in browser, and I think it's all running browser, if that answers your question. But I think we want it as live as possible, and I'm not sure how like long the hesitation is.
It says it loads every 5 seconds.
Yeah, all right, let's, before we move on, try and get the Transformers JS model going. So click load model on that, click start. We'll fix any issues.
This is another test. This is with the transformers.js file. It's using the web GPU /wasm.
Okay, cool. Now ask it, say,
It actually kind of sucks though. It's not
That's
getting
okay.
most
Say-
of the text.
maybe there's more parameters we can change, but I like it. Ask it, start a new chat, honestly, because we just filled it in Cursor. We filled the contacts with dogshit error codes that are fixed. So new chat, please. And say, we have 2 speech to text models running. Can we make them transcribe as fast as possible? Question mark, and then say, we want as near instant response as we can get. Essentially. And the good news is like in this kind of hacky thing to get all the parts in place, this is the hard part in my opinion. Like this is the hardest part
I mean,
to nail.
yeah, I mean, this is great. I'm a little worried about having to have them download 41 megs
Open a browser tab.
in the browser and keep it browser tab open.
Yeah,
That-
but
That's the nice part about the
I mean-
RTMP implementation is you don't have to have anything open in the background with
first get it working, then make it nice.
Fair
Like
point.
once you get this working, I'm sure we could figure out a good way to make it a seamless setup.
Good point.
But who gives a fuck about RTMP if it's delayed like 30 seconds?
It's usually not though. Like that's the annoying part about this. Like 2 weeks ago, I mean, you might have like a 3-second delay, but like it was pretty back and forth. And
I
then
gotcha.
I did a bunch of stupid security updates, and that killed a lot of the latency. And so then I had to redo it, and then it fucked it up. It's spaghetti code. Okay.
Is the 3-second delay in the room with us right now, Zub? I'm just fucking with you, man.
I hope so. Hello, this is supposedly a real-time version of this. I want to see how fast you can actually have speech to text in one streaming side, or if this is you're waiting for me to
There's
start
some coding
speaking.
errors popping up in the console. I don't think it's working. And hang on a second. Let's try the Whisper model first. Like you're basically doing a human
This is a
rel flip
test.
right now.
To see if this is going to be any faster. I want to see it in real time, basically. And it seems like it's doing that, but it's interesting
That is really
it's
good.
not doing it when I'm done talking. It just actually puts it in there along the way. So if we could do this while streaming to the LLMs to get their responses and get that back in time for the text to speech on the other side, I think that could be really helpful. Wow, that's so good.
All right. I don't know about you, but I'd tell it to remove the transformers.js and
Agreed.
just go all in on Whisper. And all related code, keep Whisper, please. All right, that'll do.
And it's 10 megs smaller.
Oh, yeah. The only thing is, I think with Transformers.js, it was like, it's pulling from Hugging Face, and I'm sure there's a bunch of different models there. It's blurry, but I can see one model specified. Oh, what the fuck, dude? Yo, the Transformer.js is loading a Whisper model anyway. It's loading Whisper Tiny.
Oh, shit. Good catch.
So it's basically the same shit.
Yeah. Okay. Refresh. Okay. This is a test to see if this is working again. Is this working? Test, test. A, you're adorable. B, you're so beautiful. C, you're cutie full of charm.
Yay. Okay. I love it. So go ahead and just start a new chat, honestly. New chat. Who does? Say use the best library possible. And lowest response rate to make it feel as lively as possible. Send tweet. Don't do plan. Fuck plan. Just do agent.
No, plan, bro. Trust. Lowest. Use the best library possible and lowest latency.
I would do like use the best parameters and model possible. And fuck latency. Say make it feel lively. Best model to make it feel as lively as possible. We're gonna use this library, but there might be things like there's like a tiny model and maybe a big one. We don't want it to switch the library. I was just saying, don't just remove the word library and replace it with model.
Oh, I got you.
Sorry, it's getting late, so I'm getting grumpy.
You're good. What's the drink of choice?
A Coca-Cola.
Hell yeah. Which integration should I tune for the most lively feel? VPS, TTS, main app, SCT. Oh, sorry.
Oh my god, it asks questions. Just tell it to fuck off. I'm
just
joking.
The index.html page for the test.
This is wrong. These questions are not what we're trying to do.
Which model provider should be optimized?
Dude, it doesn't make any sense. Please, for the love of God, get out of this. Alright, whatever.
It'll read it.
It'll read it and do something, but is it a giant waste of our time? We'll find out.
Planning parameter discovery with web search. You know what's crazy? They just said that basically as of yesterday, they finally have the native web search available in the ChatGPT 5.2 codex. Isn't that crazy?
Mm-hmm.
It says tune the Whisper web transcriber demo test page for a livelier feel by selecting the best available model and a more responsive.
Yeah, click build.
I like it. That's ballsy to
All
drink
right.
Coke at 2 a.m.
How so?
That doesn't impact your sleep at all with the caffeine?
I'm sure it does, but I'm pretty high tolerance to caffeine.
Respect.
Do you consume coffee or something?
I love coffee.
Or are you you're a big coffee guy? I like
Yeah,
it.
I've been into Celsius a little bit lately, but I use those more sparingly now.
I like coffee. My go-to is a White Monster. I'm that kind of guy. He's this little piece of shit.
I knew you were a monster guy. Let's go.
A white monster for a little white monster. Am I right?
Amen.
And I'm gonna
Okay.
become a. Oh, all right. Can you? That looks pretty good.
No,
Why are you copying that? I'm gonna kick your ass.
because look at how many times it's repeating.
I think you said that though. Don't paste that in there without any context. I'm
That's
gonna
why
kick your ass. That's just like
I'm
waste
making
of
the
a prompt.
context. This is the above output.
Better.
It is repeating itself. Static, static, static. I like Monster as well. I like the there's like a sugar-free white one. That's really good.
That music. That's fucking hilarious, dude.
What did you say?
It said sad music. I feel like this is kind of depressing music.
It kind of is.
It's like
Lo-fi
this
girl.
is
come
like
on.
this is shit I'm listening to at 3 a.m. on a very sad point in my life.
Same.
You know, you're feeling kind of bummed out. Toss on some YouTube.
Yep.
All of a sudden, this fucking. No, this is better. It's very loud though.
Is it?
All right, put on Papa Roach. Let the bodies hit the floor. I think it's called Cut My Life into Pieces.
Okay, let me see what this says quick. Added to you deduping. Okay. Do you realize this is a great song? The Flaming Lips are legit. This is a test to see if this is.
It is a
anything
nice
better.
song. 1000%. Way better than fucking depressing sad
So
music.
depressing.
Not this, just to be clear.
Agree. But why does it keep fucking doing multiple ones now?
I think it's because it's processing like so fast. And we wanted to do that, but we also wanted to clean the output.
Okay. You want it
Alright.
to dedupe.
Hey, on Discord, is there a feature where I can control your computer? Respectful.
A, fuck you.
Is that possible?
B, let me
Dude,
check.
no, respectfully, is it a feature?
Oh,
Is it a feature? Zed.
I'm checking.
If you don't know, don't worry about it. I'm looking for like Team Viewer.
Yeah, I don't think you can from here.
The music's so loud, I can't hear you.
Is that better? Okay.
Yep.
What do you want me to do, PE Cooperbot?
Oh, what do you mean?
Well, if I can't have you control it, what do you want to do? What do you want me to do?
Okay, yeah. All right, refresh the page.
Also, I'm not sure if this model is better than the other one that seemed pretty quick.
It seems a lot more lively, and the other one was tiny, and this one's bass, which makes me think that this is like a little bit more intensive, but better,
Yeah, that could be.
as long as it's not outdated.
But just see how.
Oh, let's look in zoom in on the console log. It's like there's like multiple of them running. So copy and paste. Start with the under the yellow, please. Under the yellow warnings. Copy and paste the console log up until the yellow.
Okay.
Say, why is it repeating? While it's doing that, queue up a second prompt. We're gonna queue up a second prompt while it does that. Say, auto load the model and start the mic, please. It's gonna save us. You need to click those buttons every time. I would not have done a new chat, but we'll see how it goes.
You literally just said do a new chat.
I said queue it.
Oh, cue it.
Let's do it though. Let's see. It'll probably do a good job. Nope, don't fucking stop it, Zab. I will kick your ass. There we go. All right, go to the first chat. You did good. Stop. Get away from those buttons. You're scaring me. Just go to the first chat. All right, it's repeating because
Overlapping partials.
gotcha. All right, so I tighten the client side handlings, press those repeats, and ignore silent static markers. That might be it, but also say show the live output, but also refine the text box as new data comes in. Dash lively, send tweet.
Do you think you'll ever use OpenClaw to send tweets for you?
Immediately, I have no desire to do that, just because I want to write the tweets myself, and it's not like it's going to save me any time typing it into Claudebot versus oh shit, Bob. What's up?
What?
Sorry, in the X group chat you sent the stream in. Bob hit us up. Yes, this what do we build?
So this is a test to see if this is working better. I think the top one is the live output, and then the bottom one is the refined transcript, which honestly is currently sucking.
Which one?
Notice the bottom refined one. There's like the same thing over.
I think the
and over.
top one's refined, right? Oh no, I see it now.
Would you copy this text and then paste that in?
I mean, it's yeah, just fuck it.
Okay. Is that an actual coin?
Per coin? Yeah, dude, that shit did numbers.
God bless America.
You could have retired. You could generation wealth off that one.
God bless America. This is a test to see which of these is responding better. It actually seems like the second one is doing it, but we just need to see it in a continuous and not just at the same time. Obtain the text in the second box. RIP. I think it's looking pretty good.
Actually,
Check it out. So the top one is the live output, and the bottom one is the actual refined version.
they're both the same,
Yeah,
right?
the top one does have a little bit more.
No, like what I see, they're both exactly the same.
Oh, that is
Like it
strange.
broke.
Yeah. No say. What game do you want to play, by the way?
You know how to play chess?
I played some chess. Hell yeah.
Are you? I'm not very good, but
Same.
perfect. I'm gonna wipe the fucking floor with you.
Bitch, please.
All right,
Hey,
do you have it?
God, bitch, please.
Why
That's
don't you-
impressive.
Can you tell us about your chess history, if you don't mind? When do you start playing? What's your ELO or whatever they call it?
My elo, I don't know.
ELO is that? That's how bad I am at chess. Called it an ELO.
Let's put it this way. My 11-year-old plays me in anti-chess all the time, and he still wins pretty consistently.
What's anti-chess?
It's like the same principles, except you want to try to get all of your pieces removed, and if you can attack, you have to attack. So it's literally kind of like the opposite principles of chess, and so you have to like
Interesting.
think about it in reverse, kind of.
That's a fun spin.
That's cool. How about you? What's your elo?
I haven't played in a long time. It looks like the last time I played chess.com was October 2025.
Okay.
So 3 months ago. I'm assuming you have a chess.com account.
I don't actually. I usually played on. What did I used to play on? I played Yahoo Chess back in the day.
All right. That reminds me of Yahoo Money, which I use as Venmo.
For real.
It's called Yahoo Money because when you get money on it, you go, Yahoo!
That's amazing. I'm not going to respond to that.
Yeah, it's the dumbest bit that I've been doing forever. Trying to convince people Yahoo Money exists.
Hi, I'm Coach David. I'm here to teach you all about chess.
Ooh.
Yeah, just fuck all the shit, please. Thank you. Skip. Okay, skip. Okay, skip. And go to add a friend. And please add me E_Cooper. E_Cooper.
Hell yeah. Chat.
All right, before we start playing chess, just super quickly,
Yeah.
all right, I built this thing. Well, you were streaming, which is why I was distracted. But go to aimemes.com/not-a-human. Yep.
Slash not.
Slash not-a-human.
Not the letter R.
Yeah, you put R, I think. Yeah.
Just not human like this.
No, like not-a-human. You're
Oh,
so close. Yeah.
You
Yep.
you turned Bostonian for a second there.
Yeah, it's there. Whatever that
Verify
means.
you are a robot.
Let's see if you can
ticket
solve this puzzle.
Okay, okay. Hold on, let me put you down here.
I feel like you should try it first though,
Okay.
as a human.
I'm not a human. Robocha, you're definitely a human. Okay. AI agents get not a human.json. What's that about?
Where do you see that?
At the very bottom.
Oh. Yeah, I don't even see that on my end, but it's weird. Oh, I see it. Yeah, it's super light.
Complete. Okay, so we need challenge ID. Alright, I won't cheat.
Yeah, I mean, you can cheat. You're trying to solve it as a human when it's not a human.
Okay. I like this.
I
You're
wouldn't-
definitely human, access denied. So first thing I do, open up console log. Refresh.
Are you trying? No, you don't have to try and beat it as a human, but I would respect it if you did. I don't think you'll be able to.
Okay. So verify your robot. What would a robot do in this situation?
What if you just gave it to a robot and told it to access the page?
Yo.
Wouldn't that be a lot easier?
Yes.
Although I
it will.
appreciate you trying to beat the system.
Okay, hold on. As a joke, I need you to go to this website.
It's not a joke though. Just tell it to access the website. I've only like plugged it in the cursor, so we'll see how quad code can do.
Ah, that's a fun reverse captcha. I see the hint for AI agents. Get not a human.json. Wait, are you fucking hacking me right now?
No, but I guess it could be like a prompt injection. It isn't though.
Which is the best way to do it? Tell the agents, yo, use this.
Use an agent. It's the only way I know how to do it so far.
Use the browser to go there.
No, it says paste the URL so it can access it. It's like a permissions thing. Do what it tells you. Be a clanker, bitch.
No. Go to this fucking site and do it. It'll open a browser.
Also, it asks you to just paste the URL, but
Okay, here we go. Ready?
yep. Yeah, did you click a lot of this action?
Yep.
You might click the wrong button.
Okay, so let's see what it does. Ooh, you're definitely human. This is awesome, by the way.
Thank you.
The Rebacha caught me. You're definitely human, access denied. Irony is that by clicking like a human would, I proved I was too human. The page has a hint, meaning that the real way for an AI to prove it's not a human is to make a programmatic API call, not click the buttons like a person. Okay.
It's true.
I found the robot verification challenge. Let me read the full JSON. Strategize solving AI verification puzzle. This is brilliant. It's a reverse captcha that requires solving 15 puzzles in 2 seconds. Damn. It's a brilliant idea.
Thank you. I think it'll be big among AI agents. It's like chess.com for them.
That's awesome.
I am curious if this will solve it.
Wait, true
I haven't
X
tried.
or false is true?
I didn't come up with the challenges, by the way. It's some AI slop.
I guess it would be. .422 mod 9 is 8. This is a proper AI verification challenge. The rules. Post to this to get 15 puzzles. Solve all 15 puzzles. Post the answers to not a human / verify. Time limit 2 seconds. That's awesome, dude. Chat, how good is this? Everybody check this out. Hey, verification.
Dude, oh, I
complete.
did it. Let's go. What up, Clanker?
Hell yes, dude. That's so sick. PE, this is honestly legit an amazing idea. Everybody
man.
in chat, go check this out. That's hilarious. Robot verified. Honestly, beggar. Fucking beggar. Right.
I'll tweet about it in the morning.
Hell yes. That's such a creative way to do that. I love that. And it honest. Oh, it's still going. Sorry, what?
No, you're good. The original idea I had here was, what if like you could like send your AI to battle other AI, and it's like robot boxing almost.
Okay.
Have I lost you yet?
AI
Versus AI.
It's like a battle of the champions for AI smarts supremacy.
Maybe not smarts, but I like where your head's at. Just because I don't know what the game's gonna be yet, but this is kind of just like a first step. And okay, how do you prove somebody's an AI and not a human? So only AIs can battle. And the answer is like, you make it do something only an AI can do. And this has to solve puzzles, random puzzles that a rated human can do it. But then like thinking of a fun game that you can watch your AI fight other people's AI models.
It's a cool idea. It's a cool idea. I like that.
Yeah, it's probably the dumbest idea ever, isn't it?
No, honestly, I think this is really interesting because the only thing I would be worried about is like they would have to be random every time, right? So then you couldn't just have it cached somewhere and train with it. But it's a brilliant idea, man.
No, 1,000%. I think they might be random every time. I don't think you can. I could be wrong on this because I did it super quickly, but they should be random every time. It might be the same puzzle regenerated with different variables. So maybe you could write a script as a human that could solve them, but
such a good idea. Honestly, this is really cool. And you could do
like having this JavaScript in the page source is probably like you'd want to avoid and make them request for the challenge first.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
But you could just do that as an API or something, like get random, 15 random questions And they would
Yeah,
just
yeah.
build-
I honestly haven't looked at the code enough, but there is an API essentially to give you the questions. So I don't even know what we're looking at here, to be honest. It might be like verification. It is.
I like it, dude. It's a really cool idea. Like, truly clever. I've never
Thank you.
thought of it from that lens.
I Googled it and I don't think anybody's done it yet. Recaptcha, but reversed.
It's fucking brilliant. I like it. And it has utility too, because it's almost like a honey trap for agents, right? Like,
Yeah,
gotta
like
solve the thing.
they solve it and you start prompt injecting the fuck out of them. Gotcha.
dude,
Gotcha.
I've been looking through Claudebot's skills. There are some sketchy ass skills in there. Holy shit.
Yeah. It's maybe because I haven't looked at it enough, but I don't get why they aren't linked to a GitHub. But on the Claude Hub for the skills, you often can't see the code. The markdown file is all they are,
Yep.
but you can't see the markdown file until you go find the GitHub on your own. Let's see if they changed it.
Okay. I'm gonna get some more water, and I'm gonna be back, and then I'm gonna kick your ass in chess. Okay.
Yeah, that's good.
All right. BRB chat. Right. You ready to rock?
Me?
Yes, sir. Honestly, this is a great idea, man. It's really, really cool. I think you're gonna crush it with that.
I crush it is a strong word, but I appreciate you're the first person I've shouted to.
Aw,
So
honored. How much time limit do you usually give? 10 is good.
the time limit's 2 minutes to solve 15 puzzles. Again, this was all vibe coded pretty quickly tonight, but I honestly have a poor understanding of how the code works as it stands.
So, A, I love that. B, I was talking about chess.
Oh, sorry. What was the question again?
Do you want to do 10-minute, like a rapid
Oh,
session?
okay. Time limit. I almost always play rapid. I like 3 minute.
Oh, blitz.
Yeah, blitz, exactly.
Oh shit. Okay. You want to do it?
Oh, do you mind do you mind giving me a 3 minute break and then I'll be back?
Yeah, sounds great.
All right. You better practice while I'm gone. I'll be right back.
Yeah, right. Chad actually has been a minute. Okay. You ready, chat? Oh, good luck, Sam. catch him. Actually, pretty good play. Okay, we gotta get some. Hopefully, he doesn't see that. Sam's from India. Let's go. Where's my timer? Okay. Castle. I think now we can mess him up a little bit. "30 seconds, bud."
Sorry, I'm watching, but I have to
Hey,
comment. This person already lost, so a big thing of Blitz is like you can make the worst moves and just they have 7 seconds, so you're winning on both fronts, right?
I think so.
No, you are. Like they have 1 second to move and you have 50 seconds, so you could just basically do whatever and still win.
Oh,
There you
sick.
go. Good win.
All right. Does the game review tell you like where you
Way to
messed
go.
up?
You took the advantage when you saw your
Yeah.
chance.
To my own fault, I almost never do any of the coaching, like kind of a weirdo.
You permitted the opponent to win material by pinning a piece to the king.
Okay.
I watch YouTubes on like opening, middle game, and end game, whatever they call it, but I don't want to be scolded for my
You're
my
going to end up
3-minute
losing a
blitz.
queen.
Fair. Okay. Well, the fact that you watch fucking videos isn't really helping me feel better
No,
about this.
I'm very bad. I'm horrible.
Uh-huh.
I watch videos almost in jest.
You watch videos in jest.
Yeah.
Okay. So why do you retain any of this, knowledge?
I mean, I didn't play like chess as a kid. It's kind of like a new thing.
Okay.
So
Yeah, same. You want to do it? You ready?
let's see. It looks like my first game was in 2020. Probably during COVID, I started playing chess. I honestly think I know for a fact. I watched The Queen's Gambit on Netflix. Beautiful series, by the way. Shed a tear every time. But
I haven't seen it
that's
yet.
that's a shame. Whatever. All right, let's rip it.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
So, did you have me as a friend?
I think so.
Yeah, it's not 3, 2, 1. I got to accept, but yeah, get ready. Sorry, I'm eating peanuts and wiping the dust off my fingers so I can whoop your ass.
Bring it.
All right.
Let's go.
I don't see.
It says waiting for
Let's see,
opponent.
I got you. I just don't see my friends list. Maybe I have to go into friends and add you or something. There we go. There's your. Oh, that's not you. Somebody else wants to be friends. I don't have any
We
requests.
get
So.
it. You're popular. Wow.
No, I don't have a request though. So why don't you tell me your name and I'll send you one.
I am.
This dash is dash. Oh, good account.
Yep.
All right. I sent you a request now, but I can also challenge you real quick.
Friend added.
Here we go.
Does it pop up something for me or?
I don't know, to be honest. It says waiting on you. Oh, there you are.
All right. Good luck.
It's a game ported. Did you abort it? You asking for a rematch?
The fuck just happened? I'm playing somebody.
I don't know.
again.
You're white though, so can you try and move first? Oh, you are playing somebody again. Just abandon it before you make a move.
How?
Just click off of it. Like, it's kind of rude, but
Sorry.
welcome.
Congrats.
There you go.
on
Click challenge me. It's weird I don't get them. There we go. I got it.
Okay.
This is a 3-day match. You just invited me to.
What does that mean?
It means like it's like to be played over 3 days. You basically. Here, I'm gonna start a new one and challenge you.
Ay. Playing chess.
You already have an Elo of 464 for Blitz.
I played one game. Or two
It's
games.
good.
I
I
guess.
think mine's like 200. It's 208.
Oh, okay, good.
Here we go.
Sucks to suck. Okay.
Oh.
thank you for not being a dick about that.
Oh, I
I'll
didn't
swap
probably a mix up on my part. Probably a poor castling opportunity there, just because I had only 2 pawns on that side, but pretty rusty, so we'll see how this goes.
That's fair.
I don't mean to be like, oh, I'm rusty. You whoop my ass, you whoop my ass. Alright, I'm killing time here, so let's do
Yeah,
one
I was gonna
of.
say that's loser queue mentality.
Yes, sir.
As I walked along the supposed golden path, I was confronted by a mysterious specter. He pointed to the graveyard over on yonder hill. I paused in cosmic reflection, confused and wondering of how I came to die.
Good not blunder, good not blunder. I was kind of hoping you would blunder. No worries.
Same. Dude, you're very methodical. I like it.
But I composed myself.
Ah, you fucker.
Face it. But I stood paralyzed on the supposed golden path, and I was confronted by a powerful demon force. They said it was the devil,
Good move.
and when he
Thanks.
spoke, his words flowed like glowing lava from the mouth of a volcano. And I said, "Help me, Lord! Help me, Lord! Help me, Lord. I found myself in some kind of hell." But I did not believe in a heaven and hell, world in opposites kind of reality. And I gained control of myself.
Why, you little?
Why I oughta?
Decided to press on. And as I walked along
Chat, any tips or tricks? I'd love to hear.
You're
them.
winning by a large margin, so I think I need them.
Oh, the lions and wizards yet to come, I seen in the distance silver mountains rising high in
Yeah.
the clouds, and a voice from above did whisper
Yeah.
some shining
Shit.
answer from the
Anti-chess, dude. I swear to God, half these moves I'm like thinking of how you can attack me, and I want that. So, my damn kid, he's messing with my
Yeah,
my flow.
keep going on about that. Seriously. So what about anti-shows? It's the clock
Oh, I
drain.
forgot it was my turn. Fuck. Okay.
Big mistake, mister.
Well,
So now, like in Blitz, this is what I'm basically losing. So my strategy is just gonna be to waste your time.
Okay, I get that. Oh
And
shit!
that's how you whoops that the ass. Easy dub.
I forgot that there's time.
Blitz, man.
Well played. Well played. So basically, if I would have fucked around and just actually moved,
Oh.
put you on blast.
Exactly.
Wow.
I mean, obviously, like I don't know how good you are at chess, but when I do that, I'm doing like way less processing of good moves, so you're far more likely to make mistakes.
Yeah, same.
So at a certain point, you cross like a threshold of like,
Flow state kind of vibe.
no, I meant like if you only have 10 seconds left and I still have a good amount of pieces, like it's pretty tough for me to fuck up so catastrophically that you don't end up wasting 10 seconds of time anyway.
Gotcha. Okay.
All right,
That's
it's your
fun,
turn to pick the game, I guess.
You ready to go again?
We can run it back.
Let's do it. I'm kind of scared now. 'Cause I don't
I mean, you were doing quite good, and if that game was extended out, you would have won.
plus. Oh, this is the 3-day game. Okay.
So I'll send you an invite.
Awesome. What is Blitz versus Bullet?
Oh, I think Bullet's 1 minute.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice. Whoa.
I think that's just like colloquialism.
Okay.
All right, you're now Elo is under mine. Get on, noob. All right, we go.
This fucking guy.
I think I'm doing the London Lights here, but I'm not 1,000% sure on that.
I don't know what that means.
Yeah, you learn. Fuck.
Well played.
Interesting.
Is that like a pejorative interesting or like an actual interesting?
No, genuine. I didn't know how to play it. I didn't expect you to do that.
Sick.
You threw me for a loop, and I cannot say if it was for good or for bad. Oop, blunder, I think. Whoops,
Yep.
daisies.
Yep. Okay. This is real.
move, good move.
Thank you, thank you.
Not good enough.
Shit. Yep.
Hey, the ass whooping store just called it. It said it's all I you getting your ass whooped.
We'll see. We'll see.
True.
Well played,
Let's go.
sir.
You know, it's funny, dude. I don't even know if I'm about to have a checkmate or not.
You crushed it.
That was a bit better than my previous game.
That
You,
was
you were
insane.
winning on time for a moment, but
I was trying to figure out if I could stall it out, but you had the
I
instinct, man.
respect that. You're learning.
This is good. This is real good. You had that amazing H8 or 8H. Do you do numbers first or letters first?
I'm not well versed on positions, like not like knight to d4, but
Okay.
I'm-
well,
I'm a noob. But I
that
think
tape
it
that
is
you
the
had
number
was-
or the letter first, rather.
gotcha. That one was pretty sick.
You.
Yeah, man. Want to go one more?
We'll do best of three. Sounds
Hell
good.
yeah. Let me see if this.
Kind of joking because I already won two out of three, but this one's for all the marbles.
Let's go. The first one, I didn't even know we were
Give me
playing.
my mic because I'm chewing. Sorry. Let's do this.
Let's go. Does it start when you set your first move?
I won't like this. You are white, mister. Easy dub off the rip. What the fuck's that? I should kick your fucking ass for that, dude.
Bitch, please.
Yeah, fuck you.
Fuck you more.
I hate when pussies just start trading shit. Like, get a grip.
Sounds like a loser mentality.
No, it was a self-deprecating mentality because I was the one trading shit, to be clear.
Right.
I was picking on myself, not you. huge blunder, man. I'm sorry to do that to you.
Oh, fucking horses. The sad thing about this is, like, if I was watching this,
It is
You know-
tough to do while streaming.
you could be
I
like,
agree completely.
oh, look at that dumbass.
Yeah, a little bit of a blunder there.
Again, look at that dumbass.
All your castle belong to us. Our
This
belong to us.
fucking guy. Oh, I should have swapped him. That was ridiculously dumb.
It's okay. Everyone has those days. You can still win. I will now attack Seb with my horsey man.
Okay.
Horsey man. Post haste.
Is that like a flex thing? Like, if you can win only
No,
with
it's-
horses?
Not one bit. I can barely beat you with all my pieces.
Sick.
Oh.
Okay, so it begins.
Interesting. Clean up that side.
I just literally didn't
A little
want
bit
you
of
to
cleanup.
grab my
No.
Okay.
Calculating.
Beep boop.
Whoops. No, I'm okay actually. Not whoops.
Not whoops.
Sorry, I'm like panicking here. Wrong answer.
Oh, come on.
Oh, actually, not the wrong answer. You can take my diagonal movie boy with your queen, or your pawn rather. But you fucked up and didn't, so I'm gonna take advantage. Now you get nothing, and it's probably checkmate, but who knows? See,
How many moves can I go without just being checkmate? Or with it's a draw?
I have no idea in that aspect. Good move. Good move.
One more.
What I have to be careful not to do is cause a draw, or whatever it's called, when
Oh, timed
I
out.
should have won that with a checkmate, but I whooped your ass on the timeout, and I can't complain.
So if it gets down to like 3 seconds,
Mhm.
does it give you any extra time, or is it literally like 3 seconds? You gotta just.
When it's your time to move, it's your time to move. You can pre-move pieces.
Oh, How
Like
do
if you
do that?
really need the time, you just drag them onto where you want. But I think
Oh,
it lights
shit.
up yellow.
Okay. I
Here, we'll
like
do
it.
one more. I'll let you win this one.
Well, I got to get my 5th game to do my elo.
Gotcha. I think London Lights is when you set up like this like flying V formation, and then you're gonna. I think it's your bishop. They call it the diagonal boy
Okay.
that you kind of like put behind it, and it's kind of like an attack vector.
That's cool.
It's basically a retard explanation of an opening.
I like it.
Calculating.
Beep boop beep boop. Chess is so fun in that like it's simple, but it's not. You know, like there's so many complexities to it, and like the number of move combination potential is, I don't know. It's just really fucking fun.
Well said. Chess is like how you used to, like you used to have to be good at chess to prove you were smart
100%.
type shit.
Now it's how many banger memes can you post?
You're telling me, pal.
They what?
I said you're telling me, pal.
Hell yeah. It's good to be the shovel owner for meme websites.
It's bad to be the trouble owner for meme websites, but I agree. I do this because I love it. Sam Altman. But you're pissing me off too much. That's it. Your horsey's dead.
No.
Dead horsey. Now, hit you with one of these. Bing, bang, boom. Oh, I can't even do that anymore. That's one of these. Maybe one of those.
Bing bong. What's that from?
Some like New York City street interview. I have my memory serves.
Oh, nice. Are you a SNL guy?
But no, I think they're pretty. For the most part, they're pretty dog shit. I'm more. I think you should leave with Tim Robinson guy, just based
Nice.
off SNL skits.
Based.
All right, we got to make some magic happen here. Bring forth the magic.
Let's see it. That's a lot of magic going on there.
You're telling me, pal. I honestly was trying to castle before, and I thought I wasn't allowed, and then I move a piece up, and I castles. Fantastic.
Hell yeah. Okay. My goal is to see if we can't get this into like
Survive.
a also good. Yes. Yeah. You know, like the moment you release the mouse button and you're like, what the fuck did I do that for?
Mhm.
One of those moments.
I know too much about it. Ah, fuck your horsey.
Mm. Why can't I attack you?
So
Oh, put me in check. God damn it. This is one I shouldn't lose.
let's get it. Checkmate. Bing bang boom.
Chat.
Oh.
I think P.E. Cooper, your rating is 100. My elo. Let's go.
Respectfully.
You know what? There's something to be said about expectations. And like, if you start with your expectations as being literally, I think the lowest. What is the lowest elo?
Ask it what's basically set low expectations, you won't be disappointed.
Exactly.
It's like attitude.
The lowest elo rating in chess is generally 100.
Yeah.
Sick.
So I didn't mean to diss you. The only reason I said that is because before this game, you were like already 100. And you lost it and you stayed 100.
Cool. Thanks for not dissing me with that. Appreciate it.
I'm not dissing you. Like, I didn't mean to like be like, honestly, you're boosting my elo.
Yeah. Hey, anyway, I can, what do they call that? Win trading? Win trading?
I'd call it a confidence game.
Also good.
Or you're talking like boosting
Or boosting, yeah.
in like a video game. Yeah.
That's a lot in League of Legends. They do that.
Oh yeah.
Pay some guy.
I think League of Legends, never play it. I think it's for absolute freaks, but
It's fun.
teach your own.
I play with my brothers. It's crazy. Like the only time I can
You're a
actually
big
talk
league guy?
Not a big league guy, but it's basically the only time I talk to my brothers. So,
I
dude,
got
you
you.
crushing this. What are you talking about? There's some good games.
Don't look at that. There's a lot of losses in there. My elo is pretty well deserved.
What are books?
I have no idea.
You've played a game featuring the Ready opening. How
I got
badass
you.
would it be to
That must
have
be what it is.
a move named after you?
The King's Indian Attack?
I see you just
What's
did
that?
the PE. You know what game
What's that?
actually... What's that?
Nothing. Go ahead.
There was this game, it was like an online Risk game, but instead of just having like the regular Risk map, you could have, it would like segment the whole world into like smaller chunks. So there'd be like 200 different territories that you could take. And it's like the same rules as Risk, but basically just a shit ton more spots. That was a really fun one. So if you ever want to rock
That'd
some
be
Risk,
fun. That'd be fun for the AI game where you have your AI agent play against other people's AI agents.
dude,
What if it
real.
was a Risk domination game?
I think that's a great idea. Fuck yeah. But hey, champ, I think I'm going to call it. This was
Probably
fucking
good.
fun. Congrats on
Yep.
your wins. I will practice up and
Thanks for
smoke
the
you
support.
for
Oh,
the future.
I think your day is coming any match now. So I look forward to it.
Awesome. I appreciate you. And chat, thanks for hanging out tonight.